Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to quickly dive into how to utilize Monday.com for team performance tracking, your complete 2025 guide. Let's kick off by logging into your Monday.com account. This is the first step because Monday.com is our performance tracking platform. Now that we're logged in, go straight to the Workspaces tab on the left-hand side. This space is where you can create different projects or tasks for your team. Next, click on New and select Board. Each board represents a different project. You can customize each board with different names and columns according to your project requirements. The reason we do this is to organize our tasks effectively and enhance workflow visibility. Now, let's add team members to the board. Click on the Invite button, enter your team member's email, and assign them tasks. This helps us because it ensures everyone knows their responsibilities and can track their progress. The next step is to set up automations. Click on Automations at the top, then New Automation. Here, you can create rules like, when a status changes to Done, notify person. This helps us because it automates repetitive tasks and keeps everyone updated on project developments. Now, let's move on to integrations. Click on it. Select an app like Slack or Google Calendar and set up a new integration. This is done to make sure that all your tools are working together, increasing efficiency and keeping everyone on the same page. Finally, let's talk about reporting. Click the Dashboard tab, then New Dashboard. Here, you can add widgets to visualize your team's performance data. This matters because it allows us to track progress and identify areas for improvement. In conclusion, Monday.com is a versatile tool for performance tracking and project management. It's all about creating a workspace, inviting your team, setting up automations and integrations, and monitoring progress with the help of dashboards. Remember, the goal is to improve team performance and make project management hassle-free. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.